Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today's video I'm going to show you a very beautiful performance of the oil and water card trick. This is a new card trick, new oil and water. Alright, it requires only 6 cards, alright. And today I'm just going to show you the performance of this card trick, not the tutorial. It's because the video would be too long and you would get bored trying to watch the whole thing, right? So I'm just going to give you a preview of what I'm going to teach you in the next video that I upload. All right, and make sure to watch the whole video because without watching the whole performance, you wouldn't really understand the tutorial. So that's why. Now let's get straight into the performance without wasting any further time. All right, so like I showed you, there were 3 black cards and 3 red cards, alright? Now, without any funny moves, I'm just going to place them to the side and I'm just going to mix them one by one, alright? So that's 2. And literally, I'm going to show you each and every card so you can actually see the black cards getting mixed with the red cards, alright? And again, without any further moves, I can just directly show you that they are separate, alright? They're separated. So that was the trick. And you know what? I'm just going to do it again for you because you might not believe me. You might still think that I'm doing some kind of sleight of hand, but I'm not because as you can see, I'm literally going to alternate right in front of you, alright? And if you think I have done something, I have not. It literally, I can even show it to you once more that it is in fact alternating. All right. Now I'm just going to place these 3 cards aside. And now for the final reveal, we have 1 red card and 2 black cards. That is not what I was expecting. But fortunately for us, we do have an easy fix. All right. Right, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, literally, the red card just turned to black card. Like that's what is happening over here. And oh my god! And if I'm not mistaken, all these 3 should also be red cards. All right, let's. There are only 6 cards. All right, these 3 and these 3. Alright, so that was the performance, and I hope you liked it. Alright, see you next time in the tutorial view. Alright, goodbye, guys.